The Composer Pro 2 with Twist 60 and ND is one of my favorite Lensbaby products. It combines the Composer Pro 2 lens body, Twist 60 optic, which drops right in the front, and a 3-stop neutral density filter. This optic is cinematic, portrait-friendly, produces pleasing skin tones, and you can select a sweet spot with the Composer Pro. The name Twist comes from the way this optic creates a pleasing swirl in the background and bokeh. It's either very subtle or more pronounced, depending on the style you want. And when you thread the included ND filter onto the front element, you can adjust shutter speeds and iris for pleasing results, like super smooth moving water shots. This really is one of Lensbaby's very best optics.